Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see what are anaerobic infections. At first, we are going to see what are anaerobes. Anaerobes are organisms that does not use oxygen to obtain energy. Anaerobes cannot grow in the presence of oxygen and for which oxygen is toxic. Next, we are going to see where are anaerobic bacteria found in the human body. These bacteria present naturally in the body as part of the normal flora of human skin and mucosal membranes. Anaerobic bacteria are normally present on the skin, mouth, nasopharynx, upper respiratory tract, intestines, and vagina. For example, the human colon, where oxygen tension is low, contains large populations of anaerobic bacteria. And other areas of the body are the gingival crevice, tonsillar crypts, nasal folds, air follicles, tooth surfaces, etc. Next, we are going to see, can anaerobic bacteria infect humans? In their natural state, anaerobic bacteria do not cause infection, but they can cause infections after an injury or trauma to the body. Thus, anaerobic flora are potentially pathogenic if displaced from their normal habitat. Anaerobes multiply well in dead tissues. Or we can say anaerobes can thrive in human tissue that is injured and does not have oxygen-rich blood flowing to it. Anaerobic infections are usually endogenous and are caused by tissue invasion by members of the normal flora. Some exceptions like Clostridium, which is found principally in the soil and produces infections in humans. Infections produced by anaerobic bacteria occur in all parts of the human body. Anaerobic infections are typically polymicrobial, that is, more than one anaerobe being responsible besides aerobic bacteria. While infection is usually localized, general dissemination may occur by bacteremia. Infections ranges from local abscesses to life-threatening infections. Factors such as tissue necrosis, impaired circulation, hematoma formation, the presence of foreign bodies, malnutrition, malignancy, or prolonged treatment with aminoglycoside antibiotics may act as predisposing factors. Pus produced by anaerobes is characteristically putrid with a pervasive nauseating odor, is one of the most important clinical features which suggests the presence of anaerobic infection. I'm concluding this video here and see you soon in my next video. Thank you friends.